Jamaica's junior athletes will have more information about their bodies ahead of the 2025-26 season after being put through some assessment by sports scientists recently. Here's Renaldo Brown.
Technical leader of Jamaica's under-20 track and field program, David Riley, expects to see benefits from the recent sports science workshop with Red Bull Athlete Performance Center. A team of 3 sports scientists visited the island recently to perform tests on a group of under-20 athletes related to hamstring imbalance assessment, leg power and strength, and muscle size and strength asymmetry, among others. These tests are done to provide information to local coaches when designing their respective training programs.
This is very important. A training program usually try to develop certain components that are needed for performance, and being able to measure some of these things that you necessarily can't see with the naked eye is very important to inform the training program. So performance testing is very important, knowing what the hamstring imbalances are, knowing what your muscle size and knowing your flexibility. Those are things that certainly will impact on the athlete's performance, help to keep them injury-free, and that's what we want to introduce within this group for our under-20 and our under-18.
For the athletes, the experience marks a significant moment in their development.
I mean, it's very important, we're here with the Red Bull team, and, just to understand our bodies more can really help us in training. And
it's important because once I'm where I'm at physically, I'll be able to perform how I want to. So, yeah, it's a good feeling.
The testing program is also being used to introduce athletes to technologies available to further enhance their development. Most importantly for Riley, this will not be a one-off occasion.
Yeah, we're in a camp right now, but this program is one that will continue. We're starting it this year, and we'll continue with the performance and the sports scientists from the Red Bull Performance Center, working here with our local people to get our athletes ready to race against the world.
Despite over 110 athletes being selected for the program based on their performances this season, only 60 accepted the invitation.